You aren't broken, and you aren't stuck. If you constantly feel uninspired or drained, it usually means your brain is running an outdated operating system. You don't need to fix yourself, you just need a system to rewire what you actively notice. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a personalized 4-part daily energy protocol that will train your brain to become a magnet for opportunity and lightness. To make this work, you need to stop passively scrolling. Right now, pause the video, grab a physical journal and a pen, and get ready to write this down along with me. Passively listening to mindset advice won't change your reality, but physically writing down this custom playbook will give you the exact, actionable script you need to run first thing tomorrow morning. At the top of your page, write Part 1, Morning Setup. Then underneath, write down Number 1, New Identity. This is where you declare who you are becoming, but you have to avoid the delusional trap. If you're struggling with finances and write, I am a millionaire, your brain will reject the idea. Instead, write down a believable stretch goal, something like, money is flowing my way. Next, write down Number 2, the proof. Identity is built through repetition and proof. So write down one tiny specific thing you will actively hunt for today to prove this new identity is real, like finding a single coin on the sidewalk. Finally, write down Number 3, the action. Pick one minor, concrete step you will take today to embody this new reality. Doing this 3-part setup every morning bypasses your brain's natural skepticism. By pairing a believable goal with a physical scavenger hunt and immediate action, you train your mind to look for success instead of failure. Step 2. A few lines down, write Part 2, Language Rules, and draw a line down the middle of the page to create 2 columns. In the left column, write the phrase, I can't, and then permanently cross it out. In the right column, replace it with, I choose not to, or I don't. You aren't lacking the ability to do something. You are making a decision not to do it. Now, underneath that, write down, I should, and eliminate that one too. Replace it on the right side with, I get to, or I can't wait to. The word should is a trap. It usually represents expired, uninvestigated expectations placed on you by society, or rules you adopted during childhood to earn approval. By auditing these 2 phrases in your daily speech, you stop reacting as a victim of circumstance and take control as the active author of your own life. Let's move to Step 3. Write down Part 3, Reaction Scripts. First, we need a script for your daily victories, like hitting a green light on your commute or finding a great parking spot. Write down one of these exact phrases to say out loud when a win happens. I am the luckiest person in the world, or the universe is working in my favor. Now, create a script for the inconveniences. Next to a trigger like sitting in bad traffic, write down your response. What would this look like if it were fun? A crucial warning here. Do not force these reframes on severe trauma or deep grief. If you've gone through something horrific, attempting to put a positive spin on it will only build resistance. Park those heavy issues to the side. This technique is strictly for building a mental muscle. Apply it to low-stakes daily annoyances first, so you learn to change perception on demand. By preloading these reaction scripts, you ensure when the environment tries to drag your energy down, your brain executes an automatic, positive countermeasure. Finally, write down Part 4, Celebratory Circle Time, to complete your protocol. Next to that header, commit to a specific day and time each week, like Fridays at 6 p.m., to review your progress. Write that exact time down right now. Then, write down exactly who you will celebrate these small wins. It can be your partner, a friend, or even your dog. Sit them down, give them a treat, and acknowledge what went right this week. The underlying psychology here is simple. You build a new identity through repetition and undeniable proof. Without a dedicated time to review your week, your brain will ignore the progress you've made. Scheduling this celebration cements your newly formed energy as a hard fact. Look down at the page in front of you. You now have a complete 4-part protocol custom-tailored to bypass your specific roadblocks. The workshop is over, but the actual process of rewiring your brain begins tomorrow morning. Here is your final instruction. Tonight, leave this open journal right on your nightstand. Make Part 1 the very first thing you see and execute it the exact moment you wake up. To prove you've decided to take control, Drop your chosen lucky phrase from step 3 into the comments below to inspire everyone else. I'll see you in the next one.